Welcome to the part 2 of website tracking. This one is focused on external landing pages and website itself. So let's jump right in. Another thing that is very important is to track the activity in your website. To do that, you have to create a website connector. Create a website connector, come to your web page embedded code, and you click on new, and it will ask you to create a name here. Let's say test. The website connector is the RP website. You just need one. And you select the campaign here, and you can define if you want to require consent or not on external site pages. I'm not going to create because we already have one, but I always put this as a no in my case, just because we already have another tracking there. So I don't need to add another. We already have a banner to accept cookies or not. So I don't need to add an extra one, but you can if you don't have one already. And once you create it, it generates this web tracking script that you have to copy and you have to add to the head of your website. Once you add that to the head of your website, you will be able to see here on your data cloud things like the data stream, RP, website, behavioral events. You will start seeing data coming in from your website to your data cloud and therefore to your marketing cloud next. You can start seeing those behavioral activities from here. And one last thing that I want to talk about is how to start allowing your forms in your landing pages. We already talked a bit about CAPTCHA, but another thing that is very important is that you have to allow them to show up in the forms to show up in your external pages. So one thing that is very important here in the Experience Builder is in security and privacy. You want to allow framing of site pages on external domains, but you have to have your trusted domains here. In our case, that is our sister company and RevenuePulse.com. So we add here our domain as a trusted domain. And you also want to add it to your course. So you want to add into cross origin resource sharing policy that you allow the forms to show up in this websites. So this both of these websites, one is the landing pages, the other one is our original website. So doing this, now you can use your forms in your pages. That's all. Thank you for watching today. I hope you learned a lot about how to connect your website, your forms, and your landing pages with Marketing Cloud Next. And stay tuned for the next few episodes.